Hi, and welcome to the club. With its classic Valentine styling, you are simply going to love the January Club Couture design. Happy Valentine's Day. Your January Club Couture kit comes with everything you see here, our Happy Valentine's Day transfer and 3 paste single packets in Candy Apple, Couture Teal, and Peony. Let's get started. I've got my transfer here with the surface I have chosen, which is the 9x12 palette sign. And I have little dishes to use for paste, several squeegees, my transfer trimmers, a water bath, and a fuzzing cloth. First, I will cut apart my different transfer elements and get these cute candy hearts ready to use. I'll start with a large heart element to anchor my design, and first I'll fuzz it a few times on the cloth to ease the adhesive on the new transfer. Then I'll get it centered on my board, smooth it out, and just make sure there are no wrinkles. Now it's time for the paste. I'm prepping my candy apple paste by kneading the packet to make sure it is mixed well. Then I'll just snip the corner and squeeze some into the dish. My small squeegee is the perfect tool here, so I'll pick up some paste with it and using long, clean strokes, make sure I cover the whole screen area. I'll scrape off the excess paste, and now for the peel, the very best part. I'm making sure to pull from the middle to avoid stretching the transfer, and I'm taking it directly to my water bath. It turned out great, but we are not done. Next, I'm going to repeat this whole process using the conversation hearts. I'll fuzz each element and then place them around the heart. I like this Kiss Me one down here on the bottom right, and I'll use my mini squeegee with more candy apple paste for that one. And I'll do another red heart up here on the left. Love Me, again with my mini squeegee that is perfectly sized for these smaller transfer pieces. Now I want to introduce some other colors here. This palette is so fun. I'll prep my Couture Teal paste by kneading the packet, snipping the corner, and squeezing it into the dish. I'm using the XOXO heart next, and I'll just overlap it here, and a clean mini squeegee to pick up the Couture Teal. Now make sure the red heart is dry before you do this. Then I love this one so much I'm going to use it a couple of times. So I'm making sure to work quickly so the paste doesn't dry on the transfer. And just maybe one more, right over here on the right. You can see I'm kind of rotating these hearts different directions to create variety and interest, and this will help your design feel intentional but not stiff. Now to add a touch of pink. I'll prep my peony paste by mixing, snipping, then squeezing some out onto the dish. I'm taking my last transfer piece, the Be Mine heart, and I'll just fill in the gaps with it, placing it right here, making sure the teal is dry first. I'm using my last mini squeegee to load up some peony and paste it on, peeling from the center. We're not done with that transfer though. I'm going to put it right here, and then one more time. This is our last peel. That's it, isn't it so cute? When it's time to put away all the Christmas and winter decor, it's good to know there's something so fun and festive to put up in its place. What's not to love about easy, custom, and cute Valentine decor from Club Couture?